Good morning, Southwest Weather. I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Drier. It is time to get you a forecast on this Friday. We made it. We're on the last day of the first week back to school, and Mother Nature's cooperated in the morning. We haven't seen much rainfall at all in the morning hours for the bus stop. Now, afternoon pickup of some of those after-school activities. A little different story, but today the rain chances continue to come back down, and all the activity early is over on the other coast between Boca and Fort Lauderdale, and you can see we're dry from Naples all the way up through Arcadia. However, this afternoon we could see some showers and thunderstorms, about a 30 to 40% chance. Most of that is going to happen in the southern parts of Lee County through Collier. We got a little boundary moving through, and you can see the northeasterly wind behind it. That boundary sparked more widespread showers and storms across most of the area yesterday, and today that activity is going to push south. That drier air is going to bring some big changes here starting later on today into the weekend. You can see how dry we are there at 8 o'clock. The humidity is down a bit today, and it's going to continue to come down over the weekend. So even though we are waking up warm and above average, there are no heat advisories in place for Southwest Florida here today. And part of the reason, that drier air already beginning to move in. Upper 70s right now with dew point values in the mid to upper 70s versus low 80s. It's subtle outside, but these numbers are going to continue to drop. We could see dew point values back into the upper 60s over the weekend, and you will notice that difference. Now, rain chances, because of the dry air, almost non-existent here over the weekend. Not very often in mid-August, in the heart of our rainy season, can we make weekend plans without worrying about the big afternoon showers and thunderstorms raining us out? Well, there's 3 o'clock. There's the evening hours, and we're going to do it again on Sunday. Usually we start to see those thunderstorms erupt there between 5 and 8, and we simply don't have enough moisture. Just a 10% chance of an isolated shower or two, and you can see those rain chances there slowly climbing early next week. By Tuesday, we'll start to see a little more scattered activity return to the forecast. Hurricane Ernesto continues to move off to the north, and it's going to close in on Bermuda here over the weekend. Right now, winds are at 100 miles per hour, and you can see the size of the storm compared to the state of Florida. This is a much larger system than what Debbie was when it passed us, and a stronger one, obviously, at a Cat 2. This one will quickly pick up some speed here early next week into the northern Atlantic, becoming a remnant low. But over the weekend, it's going to impact our weather. The overall circulation here at the surface is tapping into that dry air into the north. And as we look at the precipitable water, this shows us how much moisture is available to rain out. The blue is the dry air. And again, the circulation around Ernesto is going to pull that dry air over the south part of the state. And that's going to lead to those extremely low rain chances and a nice little change just in time for the weekend. With the drier air in place as well, overnight lows will get into the mid 70s, a little closer to our average. The humidity starts to come back up early next week as the rain chances return.